Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Blue Chip Trading. This is JB, and I just wanted to go over some of the features we have in our free Discord channel. So, first of all, we just want to say welcome to Blue Chip Trading, and we hope that you're interested in joining our group. It's a free trading group, and we're trying to grow it. So, don't be shy. Come on in and see what we're about. We're real traders trying to help other traders, okay? That's all we're here for. But anyways, for this video, I wanted to talk about the day trade alerts that we have set up here. So I have these coded alerts to give us, basically that. They alert us that something is happening with whatever stock or ticker that it shows. So for example, we'll just go to yesterday's beginning of the day or market session, which the market for me is 8:30. Okay, because I'm Central Time. So 9:30 Eastern Time, I'm 8:30 Central Time. So at 8:30 a.m., the market open, we got a Facebook alert. So if we go to the chart, we pull up our Facebook. Here's Facebook. So basically that's what it says is, hey, it's 8:30. Something's happening with the stock. Look at the chart. So you could, that's all it does. It's just raise your attention. We could go back a couple more days for better examples. Here's some other examples of trades that could have been taken. This is a good one right here. So on 322, which would have been 322 would have been Tuesday, I believe. Let me just double check that. Um, yes, 322 would have been Tuesday's session. So let's go back and let's pull up Tesla's chart. So here's Tesla. I'm gonna maximize Tesla this 25th, 24, 23, 23, 22. So here's the 22 session. Okay. So you got a strong buy alert at the market open. And I took this trade, made $150 on that trade alert. Could have been exponentially more, but you take profits as they come. So let's see, we got this horizontal line. Okay, so the reason being is because there was a pre-market resistance here at this 936 area. Okay, so when I took my profits, see, and that's even me saying that I'm leaving profits here, is when we broke out right here. Okay, we broke out, we hit the pre-market high because I took it, I was in and out. See, 835, 835, I was in and out of this trade. So I took the alert and I ran it to the pre-market high, took the green and called it a day. Okay, but if I would have waited, if I would have held, because it was strong buy consensus, after it finally broke the pre-market high and it bounced off of it, could have played that breakout. I mean, just look where it went, to the moon. Okay, so those are just some ways that you could play these day trade alerts in our Discord group. Now, I also just recently set up the same style alerts for day trades, but for swing trades. So that is a new feature in the Discord channel that I'm hoping can help you. So the way the swing trade is set up, the swing trades are going to be set up on the 4-hour time frame. Let's put this to regular so we can get rid of all the shaded areas, make it cleaner to see. All right, and let's just find out where we are. All right, so here we are. So swing trades are better for beginner traders because most beginner traders have less account size, so that they need to hold on to your position a little longer, hoping to capitalize on a big move. So that's what we're offering, swing trade alerts as well. So a swing trade alert would have possibly alerted us here on this double bottom. There's a double bottom down here, right? One, two, right? See, double bottom, one, two, okay? And not till it broke the neckline would have been a good entry. So when it double bottom bounce, a good entry. So we would have got alerted here on a double bottom bounce confirmation for a swing trade. And we could have rolled that swing trade from 800s, 880s until the 1000. So that's a 100 to 120 point move. So that's why I'm offering these swing trades now. Okay. The only reason why I've held off on the swing trades is because I wanted to make sure that the day trade alerts were functioning correctly. But now that we got those fine tuned, we're going to implement these swing trade alerts. And I hope they help you out. Now, I don't want to go into too depth on how to follow the alerts. You're going to have to join our Discord channel. It's a free Discord channel. Like I said, we're a new channel. We're trying to grow our members. So join us for free and learn how to trade options. And like I said, I'll help you side by side. I'll trade next to you side by side, and together we can take on the market. So I hope to see you on the inside, and let's get it.